So I'm here to present you the BioVic Group, which is a water company working in UV water treatment. So I think you're very much aware of what UV water treatment is, as you did experience that in Preston a month ago, maybe? You've heard about it? There's been quite a big event in your country a month ago, well, on the 25th of August, to be honest, because you did have some bacterial problems in the city of Preston, and the solution that was proposed was UV water treatment. So it gives you an idea that it is working very well. So my company is based in the southeast of France, in Lunel, near Montpellier, and we provide all kind of equipment in UV water treatment. So we provide some solutions. Okay, this is the presentation. We were born in May 2000, so we've been existing for 15 years now, and we are the leading company in UV water treatment in Europe because we were the first one to implement the solution in France and abroad, and we work in 60 other countries around the world. So the UV water treatment is the disinfection through light. So basically you have a kind of reactor where you have a lamp inside, which is called a ballast, and you make the water run through it, and with the electricity and the light, it kills all the bacteria in the water. So the good thing is you have no chemical product inside. It's only natural through electricity, and it has a capacity of killing all the DNA of microorganisms present in the water. So that's why it's quite a good solution for water treatment. So it gives you an idea what it kills. So we've been developing different products which are non-chemical products, and as I said, which are very basic because it's a simple, proven technology, and it's also not an expensive one, which is quite helpful to save money. So we've been working on different kinds of markets. So originally, our product was meant to work on swimming pools, private and also collective swimming pools. This is our historic market, but now we've been developing it for the purification of fresh and salt water. We also do some domestic and urban water purification. We work also in the treatment of water plant. For example, at the end of the water treatment, you can use UV to make sure that the water is fully disinfected. And later, we've been working on Legionella as well. And now the last system that we made is a water for water treatment in ballast water. So it's providing water treated in the ballast tank for shipping and shipyards, which is going to be quite a big issue in the future. So this is an example of different product that we've been implemented in different water stations. And that's about it. And before my colleagues start talking to you, I also represent a cluster named Swelia, Swelia, representing 110 companies in France working on the field of water treatment in general, from the small to the big water cycle. So I'm also here to present the activities, and she's going to show you what we do together. But if you have any questions, I'll be remaining on the UKTI booth, and I'm more willing to help you out with that.
Hello, everybody. My name is Daphne de Feligonde in French, without English accent. I work for the Pôle O, who is a water competitiveness cluster in France. I am a project manager in Languedoc-Roussillon and international also. We are based in Montpellier, but we cover 3 regions in France, and we have members in other parts of France. We are leader of the 2 other French competitiveness cluster in the water. I'm going to explain to you what is France Water Team, the name you see up on the slide. Then you can see the map of our web. Pôle O is a network of 150 members. Most of them are SMEs. We have an international vocation. We are the only one in France with that. Our specificity is to support, advise, and endorse innovative collaborative projects and labelize them, allowing better financing opportunities. We have to support the economic development of small companies through technical workshops, skill improvement, and collective actions. We also support the international economic development of French companies through France Water Team. Our aim is to boost the competitiveness of water sector economy by helping innovation, growth, and job creation. We work also with a scientific network of 14 water laboratories representing 400 researchers with whom we can put you in contact if you need it. Then France Water Team itself, it's 450 members in south of France. We work together under that brand. It's a consortium of 5 clusters who gathers those members to identify potential partners and products, set up collaboration and specific projects in R&D, innovation, etc., and find the relevant product or service for your project. We have already signed 2 cooperation agreements with the Water Council of Milwaukee in the United States, who is the main cluster in the water in the United States, and also with the PUB in Singapore. And we plan to sign new ones in Europe with Spain, Germany, Great Britain, who is welcoming us today, and probably Netherlands. France Water Team is operative in all that fields: water, wastewater, agriculture, health, tourism, mining, oil and gas, reuse, recycling, flood risk management also. We co-organize several important exhibitions in the water field in France. The main one is Hydrogaia, but we have also in few weeks ESEED. And you can find all information you need on the website of the POO and Swelia also, and we have a specific website for France Water Team.
I'm the Director of Waste Management Services from a company called Dulsco in Dubai. Now, just to give a small background of Dulsco. Dulsco, in fact, we are celebrating our 80th year. So we have been in existence even right before Dubai. And we have been playing quite a major role in the growth in terms of what we have been contributing to Dubai towards Manpower Services and also on waste management. It started off primarily as a Manpower Services company, helping up to build up Dubai's infrastructure. And the waste management division was an automatic extension of this activity, primarily because it's a highly manpower-oriented industry, since we had to carry a lot of waste. And we have been in this field for more than 25 years now. And we are one of the oldest players for waste transportation and hauling and things like that in Dubai. Currently, we handle more than 30,000 tons of waste on a monthly basis.
The region's leading human resource solutions provider. The region's renowned waste management services company. More than 7 decades of experience. Awards and accolades. A leader. A pioneer. An innovator. Dulsco. Always a step ahead.
Dulsco has completed over 75 years of service excellence. We have achieved this milestone by never losing sight of what we set out to accomplish: to be the leading provider of quality services in the region, through strengthening relationships with our clients, vendors, and employees.
Founded in 1935 as a stevedoring company, Dulsco's growth has been in sync with the phenomenal modernization and development of the UAE. Dulsco today is the region's leading provider of human resource solutions and waste management services. With branches across the United Arab Emirates and Qatar, Dulsco's ongoing success has been driven by its commitment to delivering optimal results that meet and exceed the client's needs and expectations. With over 5,000 employees providing end-to-end manpower outsourcing solutions, Dulsco's skilled and semi-skilled staff can be seen across a wide spectrum of industrial and commercial sectors. The logistics industry calls for a high degree of efficiency and safety. The region's leading companies have recognized the high standards Dulsco operators bring to these operations. Be it for air, sea or land operations, the company knows that having the right kind of people at the right place, at the right time, is vital to this time-bound industry. The manpower force also includes trained drivers for all kinds of vehicles, as well as support staff for offices. The contract staffing division provides high-level professionals for long and short-term staffing options, freeing companies to focus on their core competencies. Payroll management services also form a part of the service portfolio. The recruitment division is a one-stop shop solution for recruitment services. From matching profiles to specifications, screening, interviews, submission of finalists, interview scheduling, and facilitating closure, this division ensures that each client's requirements are responded to. The well-equipped medical center provides treatment to its employees, as well as shipping crew, corporate clients, and walk-in patients. Medical services are also provided to ships, both at port and at anchorage. With an extensive fleet of vehicles designed to suit different requirements, Dulsco is a specialist in the collection, transportation, and disposal of hazardous and non-hazardous solid and liquid waste. Protecting the environment and improving the community have always been the hallmarks of the company. The company is also a pioneer in using RFID technology in the UAE, which monitors and streamlines the waste management activity. Dulsco also provides medical waste collection from hospitals and clinics. The company's recycling initiatives are custom designed for the various sectors and are widely in demand due to its progressive approach. The company's trading arm offers an array of innovative and award-winning equipment from reputable manufacturers across the globe. Dulsco is the leading provider of tank cleaning services, both onshore and offshore. Recognizing that end-to-end solutions is the need of the hour, Dulsco has added a range of support services to its existing portfolio. These include road sweeping services using environmentally friendly machines, grease trap cleaning, pipe cleaning, and pest control. Dulsco also provides fresh water supply to various sectors. The automotive workshop maintains all its vehicles and ensures no downtime in its multidisciplinary services. The fabrication workshop undertakes general, structural, tank fabrication, steel renewals, and allied work. Market demand has also seen the opening of a dedicated office in Abu Dhabi to cater to the client's requirements of the Western region. It is a one-stop facility complete with the state-of-the-art equipment to carry out extensive automotive repair, maintenance and fabrication. Our ship services provide supplies and crew boats at the Fujairah anchorage. Dulsco's joint venture, Dulsco Qatar, is based in Doha. Just like Dulsco's UAE operations, Dulsco Qatar offers human resource solutions and waste management services. Dulsco's employee accommodation has won several accolades and has evolved as a benchmark for the industry. Designed to ensure their health, safety and well-being, the facility boasts various amenities. The design also incorporates energy-saving and recycling initiatives. Facilities include a well-equipped gym, complete with a trainer, an indoor sports arena that doubles up as an auditorium, and ample outdoor facilities. Dulsco's firm belief that its employees are its real assets is reflected in its commitment to employee welfare. Social events nourish and foster the team spirit that has helped Dulsco forge ahead. Dulsco has also spawned several notable sports teams in UAE. Regular training sessions on health and diverse subjects keep the employees competent and safe. CSR has always been an integral part of the company culture, which regularly supports and sponsors worthy causes. Dulsco has also been recognized as a top employer by the Great Place to Work Institute. The cornerstones of Dulsco's success have been its values, respect, integrity, environmental awareness, and contribution to society.
Dulsco will continue to grow by empowering its business units through centralized guidance and decentralized implementation.
Dulsco, always a step ahead.
Well, I think that should give you quite a detailed idea of what we are. Now, as regards the waste management activities of Dulsco, you would have noticed that we've been hauling a lot of waste. But of late, in the past couple of years, we have been diversifying into providing complete integrated waste management solutions. That's primarily because the region itself is now more focused on proper waste management operations. And if you look at the municipality or the environment authorities, see, until about 4 or 5 years back, I don't think there's been much of focus on real treatment or recycling or any of those activities. Most of the waste was being sent into the landfills. But I think that whole trend has completely changed in the region. And there's a lot of focus which has been given on recycling, recovery, and all that. And in fact, we have been partnering with the municipality now, and since about 1.5 years, we have been one of the major players along with Dubai municipality in their My City, My Environment program, wherein we have tried to initiate and try to have source segregation of waste, because I'm sure that you may be aware that Dubai generates one of the largest per capita waste in the region. In fact, it's more than 6,000 tons a day. So that's quite a large quantity, out of which maybe about 40-45% could be recyclable. So we have, in a small way, partnered with the municipality to handle certain areas of the city. We have started putting the two-bin concept, trying to collect the commingled waste, basically paper, plastic, cans, and things like that, and then the food waste separately. And then we have established a small sorting line to do a manual sorting of these, pre-sorted waste. That's found success, and now I think the municipality is also primarily trying to extend this program to other regions of the city. So recycling would be one of the areas of focus in the region, to look at the appropriate and the right technologies as far as municipal solid waste is concerned. Then some of the new initiatives which the municipality has taken is in terms of looking at waste to energy options. So that's another area where we are now working with some of the companies in the region from Europe, Then hazardous waste management will be one of the major areas of focus now because there's not been much of facilities there. Medical waste management will also be an area of focus in the region. So what we feel is that in the couple of years to come from now, there's going to be a huge opportunity for technology providers, equipment suppliers, and all that in the waste management industry in Dubai and the neighboring areas. And I think Dubai primarily is also leading the whole vision in terms of waste management, because if you look at Abu Dhabi or Dubai, Abu Dhabi, they have a vision of, I think by 2030, they should have more than 75-85% of diversion from the landfills. And Dubai, I think, is 2025 is the target. And we have been working with the municipality, for example, and in the past 2 years, we have managed at least about 12 to 13% diversion from because of this recycling initiatives which we have started. So I think definitely think that there's a lot of potential in the region. So we are here primarily to look at companies who could offer some appropriate technologies for the region, and we're open for any good ideas. Thank you.